Hey, welcome! My name is Martin. Here is Game Dev Garage. I'm making games for more than 5 years and worked on um, hyper casual games, some simulation games, and I worked on Cocos Creator, and now I'm working on Unity. And I'm making Cocos Creator and game development tutorials in this channel, and I'm sharing game development experiences and game devlogs and some progress about projects that I'm working on. So before I get started, I just want to share with you the projects that are available on Steam, projects that I am working on. So yes, here is SpaceKraft. Please check links in the description, guys. This is the game I started to make 5 years ago. This is my first game experience. This is the first game I made in my life, which made in 100% on Cocos Creator because I was a web developer and I knew JavaScript. So I decided to go with some kind of game engine that supports JavaScript, and I found Cocos Creator and made this game. So this project paused a lot because of some reasons. Then I refocused on this. I'm planning to finish this game in a few months, so please check links in the description and go this Steam page and add this game to your wishlist. So that will be huge support for me to first motivate me to finish my projects. Second, support this channel to make more tutorials and make more videos about my experiences. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and please hit the bell to get notifications. So the next one is Hellcome. Hellcome project is a project that we worked on 4 or 5 months with very small team. So actually we are a growing indie game studio. We are trying to switch from hyper casuals to bigger projects, you know, Steam games and console games. So this is our team's first step. So please check this game, the link in the description, and you can just download this demo and play with your friends, and please add it to your wishlist to support us. And this game, let me describe a little bit about this game. So this is a multiplayer roguelite shooter game, which is a multiplayer setup, and you can choose 5 different characters. For now we are going to add more characters to this game, and you can normally you fight against zombie hordes and collect experiences. Then you choose a skill to upgrade, so you can build your own character and try to survive in this zombie area. So thank you for your support. Please add these games to your wishlist, guys. So we are counting wishlists every day. So this is very important and extremely motivating for us. So thank you very much for your support. Okay, let's go for today's content. Actually, the last video, last live stream, by the way, you can watch all the live streams in playlists called live streams, I think. Actually, the live streams are not super enjoyable because it's too long to follow, but you can, if you are watching from replay, you can just watch them 2x speed. So if you want to learn some details about how we work on our projects and some progress, very detailed progress, so these live streams are just for that kind of information, and I will make more compressed and much more enjoyable devlog videos very soon. So hit subscribe to get notifications of when I release that kind of videos. Okay, so here in the last video we were just put these characters in the scene. So actually this is a framework that merged with art projects very recently. I have NPCs that I can manage them with some kind of behavior tree. Just let me show you. This is the behavior tree. So I can define very detailed and very complex behaviors for NPCs with this kind of Lego-like structure. So you can put modules together to make much complex systems. Just let me show an example about this. I want to just disable all the NPCs and I want to show you the only one here. This is our character. So let's put our character here, and this is the NPC. This guy I designed to be hostile, so he will just patrol around, and if he saw us, if he see the player, so he will chase and try to attack. If we hit him, he will react when his health below 25, some threshold I defined. So he goes there. This is a very simple health package representation. You know, this is very similar to a health package, isn't it? So yes. So this guy will get this health package and go there, the safe position I defined before. I can enable it in gizmos. So here is the safe position I defined. Yep, come on, go health. Sorry, this is not. Find items, crouch. Yeah, this is the safe position. So if we enable, we can see. So I'll just add a description to make it more clear. Safe recovery, okay. Okay, this is safe recovery. So he will go there and recover his health, then come back to patrolling. Okay, so let me show you the patrol waypoints. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, these are patrol points. So I can just add a description to make them clear. Patrol 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first he will go there, then turn right. If he see us, so he will attack us. Okay, so let's change our position to here, because I just want to see the NPC's behavior before he's attacking us. Okay, so I will just add a few descriptions. So we have another save point. Go save and wait. Okay, this is save wait position. Save wait. Okay, so where is it? Oops. Where are you, save? Oops. Okay. I have to select this one. Yeah, this guy. Okay. I want to see safe wait. Okay, I put another position here. If he cannot find a health package, or if he doesn't have a health package in inventory, so he will just flee there and just wait. So this is some kind of flee getaway from us, just for test purposes. Okay, so first let's hit play. Come on, come on. Yes, so here we are. Oop. He saw us and started to chase. So I will beat him. He's going to take the package and goes to safe position and recovered and came back. Isn't he so cool? Okay, I will just kill him. Then now I can loot him. So there is no health package, so he will flee. Yeah, he just flees, goes there and just waits. Okay, as expected. So I will just enable another NPC, which was a generic man. So here is generic man. Just let me show you the guy. Okay, normally he patrols around, so I will just disable this one, and I want to just see the patrol of this generic man. Okay. Hey, welcome. Say hi in the chat. I'm making games for 5 years. So this is a project that I'm working on with our team. So I'm sharing development logs, devlogs here. These streams are for much more detailed information. And I will release some shorter and much more compressed videos soon. So if you don't want to miss them, so just hit subscribe, guys. Yeah, this is the guy patrolling around. So this is just a regular casual man, no attacking. So if I beat him, he will just flee. So in this video, I want to customize this behavior a bit. Okay, so he's just walking in a sequence of positions. I want him to just move here, come here, and wait there, and look around, turn right, turn left, then go here, go the other position, and look around, and maybe we can play an animation in between them. Okay, so I don't want to see all he's just walking around. Okay, sometimes I want him to wait there. Okay, so let's open the behavior tree here. Okay. This is the patrol sequence, okay? If we are in natural state, his natural state, he will go initiate these position lists and repeat until we change this state. So if we attack, the state changes, but if we just let him walk, he will just repeat this sequence here. Okay, actually this is very simple, super simple behavior that I designed before. So here we have, actually maybe there's some room for optimization obviously there, because the sequence calls this each time. I think each time it calls this, and this, and these numbers are regenerated all the time. I can optimize it later, but I just not just right now. So okay, here it goes a position. Actually, it selects a position from the stack and puts it to move position move variable, and sequentially it gets the next one when we reach the position actually we are walking to. So here I want to add a wait node. Okay, wait node. So maybe we can just wait a few seconds, maybe 2 seconds. Okay, let's see. By the way, I can just make it a smaller window to let you see the action. I'll just save and I just play. Okay, let's see play. If I select this in PC, so you will see he is actually waiting somewhere. Okay. Yes. Okay, he's waiting, so I will go there to track him. He's moving to the other position. He's waiting. He's moving to another position. So he will just wait here. Okay. So the next one, maybe we can just add variation to wait time, or maybe we can just add a behavior like maybe we can just look around. Okay. Oh, Mars Game Colony and Jahar, welcome guys. Okay, so I will just add, maybe we can add turn towards feature here. Let's check out. Okay, I will just update the positions, the points I'm using right now. I want to just keep 2 points. Yes, this is the patrol 1 and patrol 2. Okay, if you look at that top, what's going on? I think it's flipped. Okay, patrol 0, patrol 1. Okay, so we were looking from here. Jahar, don't you make live streams on Twitch? So I checked last night, but I couldn't see. So I think you started to make YouTube videos at the same time. Is it true? Do you go live on YouTube or just Twitch? So here he will go there and look around and walk there and look around. This is what I want to do, because you know, here is like a balcony and there is a view here. So I want him to look around. By the way, actually we have a view. Let me enable it. What? It's not. I don't understand. Normally we had background. Aha, okay. So this scene was enabled. So the background was in this sample scene. Okay, okay. Isn't it super cool? Okay. So, okay. When he comes here, this position, I want him to look here and here. He comes a position, waits, and let's add a turn towards node after that. Okay. For example, we can turn this way. I don't know where is it, but this way. So here I have options for the position we can turn towards. Okay. We can use a position variable, transform variable, or some custom object. I will just use custom objects, and I will put a transform here to make it easier for now. So let's add an object, create empty. So I'll put it out of the game object. Okay, the look position 0, 1. Okay, so we can do a kind of smart thing to use less transforms. This flip thing is confusing me a lot. So I will keep here. Okay, let's see where is the position. Yeah, petrol position is here. So we can just look here. Okay, look here. And I will add another one. This is look 2. This is gonna be this way. Okay, keep it here. Looks here and there. Okay, so I will put turn towards. Put this link to turn towards. Then I will add a 2 seconds. After that, 2 seconds wait. And add another turn towards, which will direct the other one. This is the first, we are going to use the second. Okay, actually this is a loop, you know, so same thing will happen when he comes this petrol 1 position. So if you put these look positions far away from both these petrol points, they should work for both of them. So this is gonna be here, and the other one is gonna be here, maybe here. Let's play. Actually, this is design the color color correction made by Gem. So we actually decided to keep things a bit darker. Okay, let me show you the whole section, all the scene. So here, actually, this scene is designed to be a bit darker. Okay, dark and both psychologically and visually dark. This is intendedly dark. So this game will start at these times, like 4 a.m. before morning, at the morning, and demo will end after afternoon, probably about 3 or 4 p.m. So color, daylight, and the other stuff will change during demo gameplay. So we just want to demonstrate. Actually, we can use the same map, but if you make color and not color, actually light variation, if you use light variation, so it will help us to reuse the same map. Actually, this is what we are aiming with this demo. Think about, maybe, I don't know if you played or not, Valheim makes this really well. For example, you can play the same forest at the same forest, but at night it becomes really different place. In daylight it changes extremely different way, and if it rains it changes a lot. So same place, actually same map, same design, can behave differently based on daytime and the weather or other systems that you can design. So this is the intended color look in this scene normally. So okay, let's keep tracking this guy. So he goes there. Okay, first, by the way, just let me enable the behavior tree here. He goes, waits, turns, waits. What we cannot see. Maybe we can just keep closer. Yeah, he goes there. Looks this way. Looks this way. Okay, not bad. Maybe we can just switch these positions. But it looks fine right now. Yes. This is what we can do with behavior tree here. Normally, maybe I can show you another kind of character. Here it is. He patrols here. If we attack him, he will just attack us. And if we go far away and we wait for 10 seconds, he will just return to natural and he will not attack us. So let's test this out. So that was the main goal for this live stream. Actually, we can add NPCs, and if we give them some logic, reasonable logic, so your game becomes looks like alive. So I will just enable all of them in a few minutes, so you will see what I mean. He just patrols. If I beat him, he will just react. He will follow me. So I'll run away. Hopefully he forgot me. By the way, this is just testing version of this scene, you know. So nothing is production ready. Probably he will just return to natural. Yes. Look at this. He's not attacking us. So let me show you how I achieved this behavior here. It looks a bit confusing. But actually, I made this very from very small steps, you know, very small parts, and so actually it looks confusing. But if you start building things from small parts and you can iterate, if you iterate and add some more features after you completed first ones, so it becomes very easy to understand. So I put some descriptions here, so I will easily understand what's going on here. For example, this part just sets the state. Actually, I put I put Blackboard to a state variable. So I defined some states, arbitrary states that I can use in some kind of situations. So here I will use just a natural or hostile states. Okay. If this guy is hostile, he will chase us, but if he's natural, he will not react us. So if we get an event that called damage received, later on I changed this node, added another node called damage received, just to handle damage receive action, but this is more generic version of this. So if we get any kind of damage from someone, so we'll just be hostile, and we set a timer to here. So we will count down, count to 10 if we didn't see anyone in 10 seconds. So we're gonna just return to natural mode. Okay. Okay, this is just state handling. Here we have an interrupt selector which will react immediately if something changes, because this is interrupt kind of selector. So I have behaviors from left to right in priority. So if we are low on health, it's going to be executing this section. If we are in hostile mode, we are going to be chasing and fighting against someone in this part. So if we are not hostile, we'll just patrol around. This is, you know, this patrol part we already examined before. So here, if he becomes hostile, he will just tries to find a character nearby in 10 meters, and he just tries to okay, this is the counter, this is the timer we check for. If we passed 5 seconds, I told 10, but it's 5 seconds. If we passed 5 seconds, he will just cancel this part. Okay, he will just go to the patrol side. So here, if we not past 5 seconds and we can see object, which is the character enemy here, he will just takes the baseball bat from inventory and repeat this sequence. Okay, this sequence means go to 1 meter close to that enemy character, turn towards him, wait 0.2 seconds and hit fire, which means beat him with baseball bat, and reset the timer. So if we are fighting, we are not gonna reset, we are not gonna cancel fight anyway. If we just not fighting, so he will just be able to reset the timer and return to natural position. So I added here some wait notes to make it easy to fight with this character. Otherwise he will just destroys us. It's very hard to fight against. So here patrol, and here is the low health situation. So here it compares the health value with 25, and if he has an health item in inventory, he will just go to recovery safe position we just defined before, and he will crouch there and applies health package here. If we don't have health package in inventory, he goes to scene and looks for collectible health items and collects them and returns this part again. So if we don't have any health package, so we are gonna just use this section. So as you can see, I can just I can live without these guys. This is still a game, it still works, but you can add these features later, step by step, to make your NPC much smarter. Okay, so this is how it works. So let's enable all the NPCs and take a look around in the scene. Yeah, these are all NPCs. So just I will just play and show you. By the way, guys, check links in the description. I'm working on 2 games at the same time. This is the 3rd one. So please add those games to your wish list to support this channel. Yeah, these 2 guys are crazy. They are just following me. So I don't have anything in my inventory. So I will just beat one of him. Yeah. So I will just try to it is impossible to beat him because our punch and kick are just higher than the capsule when he's crouching. So this is some kind of bug, but it's okay. So I'm just testing things. So let's find the other guy. Okay, I managed to beat him. So I'll just loot him, okay? So, okay, so let's walk around. So this guy is waiting there. This is patrolling here. These two guys are patrolling here. This woman is going somewhere. Where are you going? Hey, girl. Okay. I think that's it. So we are gonna add some fire particles on these barrels. We are gonna add some animations for these propellers. Okay. Obviously, we are gonna add some waving animations for these cables, electric power cables. And we need to add hit particles, hit feelings. For example, we need to add camera shake. We need to add small delays when we hit someone. And actually we have many different weapons, but not implemented here. So we need to add colliders, of course. We don't have any colliders here. For example, in this game we can just move this barrel here, and we can hide here to hide from some enemies. Or maybe if we are guilty, we can hide from this police guy. Yes, that's it. Actually, this is the content I was planned for this video. So thank you for joining me here. So before I finish this session, I just want to shout out about the project I'm working on, because those supports our channel and supports our motivation a lot. So here, please check links in the description, and this is the SpaceKraft. You can find link in the description. Steam page is live. So this game is, I started 5 years ago. This is my first game I made. This is a learning project for me, but I actually proud of it because it's not a crappy game, okay? I really like this game. So this is really original kind of space game, which has physics kind of puzzles, physics mechanics puzzles, and physics based some kind of puzzles, and actually a decent story. And probably you will like it, because actually it looks very, very simple, but if you start to control spaceship, you'll see it's not easy to control. But when you master to control it, it becomes super enjoyable. So please go, links in the description, and download the demo. If you like this game, please add it to your wishlist. The next one is Hellcome, which we worked on this game for more than maybe 4 or 5 months with very small team. So this is our first big project in our studio with our team. So this game is a multiplayer roguelite shooter kind of game. So we collect experiences when we killed zombies, and we can choose different kind of skills to upgrade our character, and we can build our characters. So you can play with your friends, or you can play with as a single player. So go check links in the description, and please add these games to your wishlist to support this channel. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me in this episode. Actually, I know that kind of live stream is not super enjoyable, but it's okay to learn things in some kind of depth. And if you have questions, you can easily ask me. Please ask your questions in chat, or if you are watching from replay, please leave comments. So I will make much more compressed and much more enjoyable devlog videos very soon. I'm working on them right now. So hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notification when I release those videos. So thank you very much for joining me, and thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.